Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll build a JavaScript program that generates integers in a range using recursion. We'll find all numbers strictly between two given numbers, excluding the boundaries. It is a great way to learn recursion and practice working with numeric ranges. Let's start by exploring the problem itself. We're given two numbers, a start number and an end number. Now, we want to return all the numbers in between, not including the start or the end. For example, between 2 and 9, we get 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's look at the JavaScript code that does this with recursion. We define a function range that takes two arguments, start num and end num. The base case checks if there's only one number in between. Then it returns an array with that number. Otherwise, we call the function with end num minus 1 and add that number to the result list. This continues until the base case is reached. This function uses a base case to stop recursion when the range is minimal. Otherwise, it keeps calling itself, reducing the end number by 1 each time. The list grows as numbers are added one by one on the return path. Let's see some examples to better understand how this plays out. These examples show how the function builds with arrays with numbers in between the start values and the end values. For the range of 1 and 4, we get 2 and 3. For the range 10, 15, we get 11, 12, 13, 14. This recursion pattern works for any range. Generating ranges of numbers is common in data processing and testing. You might use it to validate numeric inputs, generate sample data, or create chart intervals. This technique is also a favorite interview question to test recursion. Let's wrap it up with a quick summary. We built a simple recursive function that returns numbers in a specified range. This approach is easy to understand and adaptable to different situations. Try modifying it to include start or end values if needed. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.